Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So It Yourself. For today's project, I'm going to share you one of the most beautiful keyhole sleeve design. For that, I have already cut out the required fabric for the sleeves. 2 layers and fold this by half in width. Now, this is folded side and this is open side. Here you will have 4 layers. Firstly, I'll show you how to cut the sleeves. For that, just leave some open space and draw a straight line to trim the raw edges. Then from this point, mark 3 inch as a cap height for the sleeves. Then extend these points. Length of the sleeve is 7.5 inch. Now I am going to mark the sleeve bottom round, that is 7.5 inch in my case. Mark 1 inch for seam allowance. Then from this point mark 8.5 inch, which is the arm round measurement. I am deducting half inch from my arm round measurement. So I am marking 8.5 inch. Then from this point mark 1 inch for seam allowance. Then join these 2 points. Now I am drawing the back sleeve. Just draw like this. Then from this point mark half inch inwards and draw the front sleeve. Now join these 2 points. With this marking is complete, now I am going to cut this. So firstly trim only the back sleeve. After that, make the center notch and open the fabric. Now check whether the right sides are facing together. Then trim the front sleeve. With this marking is complete, now I will tell you how to stitch this. For that, I have taken a canvas paper. Just fold this by half in width. And from the bottom, mark 1 inch. And from here, mark 3 inch. Now, just place the scale here and draw a leaf shape. And that's it. From this point, you can either mark 1 inch and then you can draw, or otherwise you can place the armhole curve scale like this and you can draw exactly like this. And that's it. Now I'm going to cut this. So this is how it looks. I'll place this in a fabric and I will iron it. Then trim the excess fabric. So similar to this, I'll finish for the other side of the sleeve as well. So just fold all the corners and make a stitch. And that's it. Now I have already finished the bottom by folding it twice for both the sleeves. Just mark the center of the sleeve and then place the interface exactly like this. and make a stitch here. Similar to this, finish the other sleeve as well. I have just pinned the fabric and make a stitch which is very close to the interface. I finished attaching. Now just slit the center portion. Then turn this interface to the wrong side of the fabric. Just iron this. With this, stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.